Welcome to another video. Are you very weak in English? No problem. Just start your journey today. Yes, this is the best solution. You have to start your journey. Do you want to improve your English? If yes, start your journey. How can you start your journey? You can start your journey by reading English. Post. First of all, let me share one information with you, and that is most of the people in our country, Bangladesh, they are using Facebook, social media every day. So you can find there are lots of English learning Facebook group available in our country. So join these types of group and try to read English post every day. Try to write comment every day. Try to listen English. Okay, try to watch English video. Try to speak with your friends. So if you continue this 4 step reading, writing, listening, speaking and watching videos, definitely you will be able to learn spoken English. One day you will be a very expert person. You will be very expert in English. You will be a very good English speaker. Definitely